This is Isabel from the Cognito Forms team, and in this video, we're going to continue learning about creating payment forms. In the first and second part of the series, we looked at how to set both variable and fixed amounts, and now in part 3 of the series, we'll look at how to sell products at fixed prices in multiple quantities. For this example, I'm using our t-shirt order form template. I'm offering t-shirts in multiple sizes and colors, so the first thing I'm going to do is add those options as choice fields inside this repeating section. A repeating section is a great tool to use when you want to give your customer the option to add more than one type of item. You'll see what I mean by that in just a moment. For the size choice, I'll set the field type to radio buttons so that people can only select one size at a time. Once I add the size options, I'll need to assign prices. Then ensure that the form collects payment. And for the second choice field, I'll make it a drop-down with some different color options. If I just leave the form this way, my customers can select their shirt size and color and then order a single shirt. While in this case, customers could use the repeating section to add more items, it's much more efficient to let them specify the quantity they want to purchase. To begin, I'm going to add a number field labeled quantity. The style of the quantity field is up to you, but I'm going to use the spinner option. Since I don't want customers to be able to order an unlimited number of shirts, I'll limit the quantity to 5. Now I need to map this quantity value to the choice field. So I'll go back to the choice field settings and select the specify quantity option. This quantity value can be a number field set to the integer type or a calculation field set to the number type with 0 decimals. When you click the dropdown, you'll see all the fields on your form that fit this criteria. In this case, it's the one we just added. So now when we select a shirt size and a quantity, the quantity will be automatically multiplied by the price of the selected option. One last thing to keep in mind is that the specify quantity option is only available when the choice field is set to radio buttons or drop-downs. If you need any further assistance setting up your payment forms, you can find more information in our user guides, and you can always reach out to us directly by submitting a support request.